It's Earrings by Angela. And hey, I'm Angela. We're in our Zen Thing series, y'all. So I'm excited about that. Today we're going to talk about having an oh well attitude, okay? You got to say with a little sass, like, oh well, because that frees you from trying to have control over things that you have no control over. So let's just say that, you know, you're really into this guy or girl or whatever, and you're like, man, I've been digging them and whatnot, and then all of a sudden you find out that feeling is not reciprocated. What can you do about it? Oh well, and move on. Because you can't control that. You can't control how people feel about you. You can't. It's just out of your control. But instead of being stuck, like, dang, why don't they feel like that? I really want to connect with this person and whatever. Honey, move on. Just be like, oh well, because let me tell you, man's rejection is God's protection. That is my mantra. Maybe you didn't get that job that you wanted, right? You applied for a job and you didn't get it. Something about that job was not for you. You can't control it. But that doesn't mean that there aren't other jobs, or maybe you have to create a side hustle job for yourself. Maybe that's your calling, right? You have an oh well attitude. Like, oh well. And you move on because there's nothing you can do about it. But so when we have an oh well attitude, we can just say oh well to a lot of things like, it is what it is. And then that's when you start making the steps to move forward. So, what's the next step that you're going to do? Think about that, right? So, you didn't get the job that you wanted. Does that mean you stop filling out applications? No. You fill out an application for the next one, and you brush up your resume and you practice interviewing yourself in the mirror, right? You practice those questions. Maybe you were nervous and anxious and didn't exhibit any confidence or something like that. Hey, Mr. Robin, I'm outside filming y'all, and there's a robin just came by me. Sorry, I got a little distracted. I love nature, but what is your first step in moving forward? That heartbreak, you were attracted. Listen, that's the law of substitution. You say this or something better is coming to me, right? Maybe there's something about that person that would not feed your spirit and would deflate your energy. That's the blessing. You've been saved from that experience. That's a lesson you don't have to learn. That's a cost that you don't have to pay, right? So we adopt an oh well attitude. So there you could be in traffic and you're so close to being to work on time, and all of a sudden, boom, a train comes. Oh well, there's nothing you can do about that. You just have to relax. You can't sit there and honk the horn and get mad because that train is not going to move any faster just for you. You have to learn to relax, release it, and let it go. Just be like, you know what, that wasn't for me. Or maybe something, this train happened, because if it didn't happen, maybe I would have been in a car accident or something else would have happened. This might have been God's way of saying, hold on, hold on, hold on. I don't, something is going on I got to protect you from. So I'm going to have to make you a little bit late today. It's a little bit late because, what's happening for someone else, I don't want to involve you in that because that's not going to be your story today. You never know. You never know, what we're being protected from. You didn't get in that craft fair that you applied for. Have your own craft fair online. Go to Facebook and do a Facebook Live and sell your products that way. Booyah, oh well, and now you have control. Oh, that's a good idea, you guys. Go ahead and do that. Let me know how that worked out. So these are some ideas. Um, and this is a way that you keep your positive energy going. You don't bring up your stress levels. You're finding the calm in every situation because it's a Zen thing, not a thing, y'all. Not a Zen thing. Gotta be sassy with it. It's a Zen thing. Okay, now my nose is stuffed up because of my allergies, but you get it. I love y'all. Y'all are so much fun. I am just like, ah, you guys are the best. I love y'all because y'all family. That's how we talk to each other. We just shoot the breeze, right? So let me ask you, what was your last oh well moment? What was it? Tell me in the comments. Oh, let me see. I wonder if I should tell mine in the comments or here. I'll say mine here. My last oh well moment. And it's so little. It's so little. You guys, I draw my eyebrows on. um on this particular morning, I tried to put my eyebrows on with my black eyeliner and the tip broke. And it was, you know how you had that little, ladies, you know what I'm talking about. You had that little piece left and you'd be like, dang, I can't even sharpen it now. Oh, well, guess what? I'm not going to be um, using my eyeliner today. I guess I have to go to the store and get one. It's not a big thing. You know, I could be like, daggone it, I can't put my eyebrows on. That doesn't mean I don't have an expression. Who laughed at that? Who laughed? I would giggle too. But so it's those little things. It's like, it's not that deep. It's not that deep. Right. So tell me what your oh well moment was. What was the last one? Be real, y'all. Even if you dropped that slice of pizza from the from when you went to the restaurant, you was like, dang, I'm salty. Yeah, those are funny. I like those moments. But you guys, thanks for joining me today because it's a Zen thing, and I'll see you for the next one. Peace and blessings.